Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram with your Facebook account. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, click the three horizontal lines to go to the menu, and then select Settings and Privacy. And then go to Account Center. Click Profiles to go to all your profiles that are connected to your Meta Account Center. So as you can see here, my Instagram and Facebook are already connected. So let me just disconnect this to show you the process. And now going back, again, click Profiles to go to a list of all your profiles that are connected to your Meta Account Center. And you can see that there's Instagram and Facebook there, and choose either one of those. And then again, click your profile at the bottom. And then beside the sync profile info, toggle the button on. And then click sync profile info. And then after that, your account will be connected to each other. So when you go to your profiles, you can see here that under Diana Wilder, Facebook and Instagram are now connected or together. And that's how you can easily connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!